What up, guys? Your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you haters
How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me. Chill like always. All right, today we out in Connecticut, you know what I'm saying? My man Marcus, he had a little incident, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to be fixing his bike. What we're going to be doing today is changing this whole side piece that goes all the way down. Changing that whole piece right there real quick, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully real quick. I'm trying to do it quick because we ain't trying to take all day doing this. So basically easy. Remove your bottom panel, remove your side panels. We're going to move the trunk. We're going to move the headlights. Move this side piece here, the intake, just to get it out of our way. We got 2 screws here, which his are already missing because it broke right here. This is exactly where it broke at. So there's usually 2 screws here. We got a couple of screws right here. We got 2 over here. Pull off the max mount. We got 2 screws under there. Then we got a bunch of screws that go sideways that we got to take apart. Shouldn't be too hard. We've done it on Smitty's bike. You guys seen us do Smitty's bike, so got to throw it in a time lapse and get her done. You know what I'm saying? So we'll check you in a couple minutes, guys. So we got the bike all put back together, as you guys can see. You know what I'm saying? Ran into a couple hiccups. We had a hiccup right here. The part that hooks onto the trunk hooks onto. We didn't know it was a separate piece until after we got ready to put the hood on. So that piece is a screw-on piece. We thought it was all made together. We got it all together, then we realized, no, that's not not made on there. So we ended up having to clamshell it to get that piece on there. If you ever break that piece, you have to change it. Clamshell is the way to go. Everything else went up together nicely. You know what I'm saying? Look good. What you happy with it?
Very good.
He's happy with it. You know what I'm saying? He said he like it. He's ready.
Back with another one.
Back with another one. You know what I'm saying?
413.
860-203. But yeah, he ready to ride. He back together. You know what I'm saying? It didn't take as long as we thought it was gonna take, but we got her done. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.